Today, we are tackling an interesting problem related to C++ programming. The problem we are facing is how to initialize class members in the initializer list by calling a function that returns a tuple. This might seem simple at first, but it becomes tricky when the class members do not have a default constructor and the function call is expensive, meaning we want to avoid calling it multiple times. Let's dive into the solution presented for this problem. In the provided solution, we see a clever way to work around the limitation of initializing class members in the initializer list directly from a function that returns a tuple. The key lies in creating a static member function within the class that handles the initialization from the function call. By using this intermediate step, the class constructor can then call this static member function to set those members efficiently. This approach ensures that the expensive function is called only once, maintaining performance and correctness. Expanding on the solution, an alternate method is introduced where the class remains focused on its core functionality of storing 3 integers. The function responsible for parsing the input string and extracting the integer values is kept separate from the class. This separation of concerns improves code modularity and readability, making it easier to maintain and extend the functionality in the future. To summarize, we have explored a clever solution to the problem of initializing class members from a function that returns a tuple. By leveraging static member functions and separating parsing logic from the class definition, we have achieved a clean and efficient implementation. I hope you found this solution helpful and interesting. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any other programming puzzles you'd like to see solved. Stay curious and keep coding.